Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today is a special video. I haven't made a video like this in years. When I first started off my YouTube channel, my whole channel was geared towards promoting other YouTube channels, and I would review their channels. And I always said to myself, that is a good thing to do, is to try and encourage other people if they'd like to join YouTube and be a creator. And for those who actually take the leap into seeing how hard it actually is to become a YouTube creator and a successful YouTube creator. And part of being successful on YouTube is sticking with it over time. And today I have a special video. It's all about a friend of mine down in Nova Scotia who started his YouTube channel with the help of my little bit of nudging to get into it, because I think he'd be great on YouTube, and he is. And so I thought I'd bring his YouTube channel here today. And I took a little bit of a video clip off of his channel, and this is the first video he ever made. And it's about 3 years ago, and Mike is this close to getting 1,000 subscribers, and that was his goal from the beginning. Mike is like me on YouTube. He's not here to be famous. He's not here to be rich. He's not here to be a celebrity. He just likes to have fun with other people on YouTube and present his different videos to you every day. So I'm going to show you my buddy Mike. He's got a YouTube channel, and for a lot of you as well, you know Mike. And for you that don't, I'd really like you to consider of joining his YouTube channel and supporting him in his goal of getting 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to show you Mike right here. You take a look, and this is my buddy Mike down in Nova Scotia, Canada.
How's she going, boys, and welcome to Grampy's Workshop. I'm starting up a YouTube channel. Big news. Oh, baby. This is a big one. I'm going to call it Grampy's Workshop. Not a bad name, since I'm a grandfather and I have a workshop. Works out well. What my channel is all about is my wife and I live here in our camp, our winterized camp, in central part of Nova Scotia. We live on a lake. We do a lot of things here to try to be, I wouldn't call it self-sufficient. We're definitely not off the grid, because check my electric bill, we're a long ways from off the grid. But anyways, we try to look after ourselves as best we can. So we do a lot of our own repairs, maintenance, modifications, creations. We build stuff, we garden, we plow snow, we cut our own firewood, we split our own firewood, ta-da-da-da, on and on and on. In my shop here, I've got a little bit of a wood shop set up, I've got a little bit of a mechanical shop set up, so we have some ATVs and some tractors and some lawn equipment, and there's always something that needs to be repaired or fixed or modified somehow. So that's what the channel is going to be all about. It's going to be how we do it, how my wife and I do it, not the right way to do it. Now, don't get this mixed up. If you see me doing something that's wrong or that doesn't work out or that's a total failure, don't forget, it's just how I decided I was going to do it. What can I say? Other than, this is my channel. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe.
Well, there's my buddy Mike, and you know, we're both quite familiar, you know, with the same subjects that we're interested in. Mike is interested in a lot of the same things I'm interested in, and he enjoys YouTube so much. And when I see somebody who sticks with it for, you know, like a long period of time and enjoys it so much, well, that motivates me to try and promote other people as well. Because, you know, it's easy to get a shout out on YouTube and gain a bunch of subscribers, but I think Mike really deserves a whole bunch of subscribers, a lot more than what he has. He's been doing it the hard way. He hasn't been doing it by any other means except putting out great content that a lot of us enjoy. So again, if you'd like to consider, you know, taking a look at Mike's channel and see if his content is something that you'd be interested in as well, and I'd sure appreciate it as well. Cheers.